Welcome students, please subscribe. In this video I'll be talking about multiplying two decimals. Okay, so I'll be doing example 1. Okay, so that will be 0.6 times 0.5. The first step is to turn each decimal into a whole number. So that will be 6 times 5. Then you do the multiplication. 6 times 5, 30. And then you count the number of decimal places in each number. Okay, so it'll be 1, 2, and then you add the number of decimal places will be 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, so now we do that. We add those. We move the decimal point to the left from 2 times. Okay, with 1, 2, it will be 0.30 or 0.3. Example 2, it will be 7.5 times 1.2. It will be 75 times 12. Now we do the multiplication. 75 times 12, that will be 2 times 5, 10 goes 1, 2 times 7, 14 plus 1, 15. Then 1 times 75, that will be 75, 0, 10, 2 will be 9. Okay, so how many decimal places? 1, it will be 2. 1, 2, that will be 9.00 or 9. Example 3 will be 12.5 times 1.2. Okay, so it will be 125 times 12. That will be 125 times 12. 2 times 5, 0. Then 2 times 2, 4 plus 1, 5. 2 times 1, 2. Then will be 1 times 5, 5. 1 times 2, 2. 1 times 1, 1. Add them up. 0, 10, carry 1. Be 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5. And then 1. How many decimal places? 1, 2. Be 1, 2. It will be 15.00 or 15. One last example. It will be 0.2 times 7.5. Okay, so we do 2 times 75. That will be 75 times 2. 2 times 5, 10, carry 1. 2 times 7, 14 plus 1, 15. 1, 2, 1, 2 will be 1.50 or 1.5. So this would be example 4. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.